Giraffes, Giraffa, camelopardalis, are the tallest land animals on Earth, with their long necks and legs making them one of the most iconic species in the wild. Native to Africa, they roam the savannas and open woodlands, often seen gracefully browsing the treetops for food. These gentle giants have fascinated scientists and wildlife enthusiasts alike for centuries. In this document, we explore the remarkable characteristics of giraffes, their habitat, behavior, conservation status, and 10 amazing facts about them. Physical characteristics. Giraffes are easily recognizable due to their towering height, unique spotted coat patterns, and long necks. The average adult male giraffe, known as a bull, can reach up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, tall, while females known as cows tend to be slightly shorter. Their long legs contribute significantly to their height, with each leg being about 6 feet long. Despite their long necks, giraffes have only 7 cervical vertebrae, the same number as humans, though each vertebra can be up to 10 inches long. Their coats are covered with irregularly shaped patches that vary in color from light tan to dark brown, helping them blend into their environment. These patterns are unique to each individual, similar to human fingerprints. Their large dark eyes provide excellent vision, while their long, prehensile tongues, about 18 to 20 inches long, allow them to reach and grasp leaves from thorny trees like acacias. Habitat and distribution. Giraffes inhabit savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands across sub-Saharan Africa. Some of the highest giraffe populations are found in countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Botswana, and Namibia. They prefer regions with scattered trees and bushes, which provide ample food sources while allowing visibility to detect predators such as lions, hyenas, and leopards. Diet and feeding habits. Giraffes are herbivores, feeding primarily on leaves, flowers, and fruits of trees. Their favorite food source is the acacia tree, known for its sharp thorns. However, giraffes have adapted to this by using their long, tough tongues and thick prehensile lips to pluck leaves without getting hurt. They consume about 75 pounds, 34 kilograms of foliage per day and can survive on minimal water, getting most of their hydration from their food. Unlike most animals, giraffes have a unique way of drinking water. Giraffes have a unique blood circulation system. Since their heart must pump blood all the way up to their brain, it beats 150 times per minute to pump blood all the way up to their brain. Special blood vessels prevent blood from rushing too fast when they lower their heads. Their tongue is nearly 50 centimeters, 20 inches, long. Giraffe tongues are dark purple, black to prevent sunburn. They use their prehensile tongue to grab leaves from thorny trees like acacias. Giraffes communicate using infrasound. Unlike loud roars or barks, giraffes communicate using low-frequency sounds that humans can't hear. They also use hums, snorts, and grunts to talk to each other. Giraffes have a unique walking style. Unlike most quadrupeds, giraffes move both legs on one side at the same time while walking, called pacing. When running, they gallop like a horse, reaching speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. Giraffes have horn-like structures called ossicones. Both males and females have ossicones, horn-like structures covered with skin and fur. Male giraffes have thicker ossicones, which they use for neck fighting, called necking, to establish dominance. Giraffes have the largest eyes of any land mammal. Their huge eyes allow for 360-degree vision to spot predators from far away. They have long eyelashes to protect against dust and sun. Their coat pattern is like a fingerprint. No two giraffes have the same coat pattern. Their unique spots help with camouflage and heat regulation. Giraffes can survive without water for weeks. Like camels, giraffes can go weeks without drinking water. Most of their hydration from leaves and plants. Giraffes' legs are taller than most humans. Their legs alone are about 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall, taller than many people. Their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour, in short bursts. Giraffes are silent most of the time. Unlike lions or elephants, giraffes are very quiet animals. For a long time, scientists thought they were mute, but they actually hum at night. They also make snorts, hisses, and grunts, especially during social interactions. Male giraffes taste female urine to find a mate. Males use a special method called the flamen response, where they taste a female's urine to check if she is ready to mate. If she is, the male will follow her closely to compete for her attention. They are social but don't form tight herds. Giraffes live in loose groups of 10 to 20 individuals. Unlike zebras or elephants, they don't have a strict herd structure. Individuals come and go freely. Giraffes have special valves to prevent fainting. Since they have to lower and raise their heads quickly, they have special blood vessel valves to prevent dizziness and fainting. Giraffes can swim, but they don't like water. Giraffes can technically swim, but they are not good at it because of their long legs and necks. They usually avoid deep water. Giraffes are endangered in some areas. Due to habitat loss and poaching, giraffe populations have declined by about 40% in the last 30 years. Conservation efforts are in place to protect them from extinction. Baby giraffes grow extremely fast. A baby giraffe can grow 2.5 centimeters per day in its first year. By the time they are 4 years old, they are almost fully grown. Since their long legs make it difficult to reach the ground, they must spread their front legs wide and bend down awkwardly. This vulnerable position makes them susceptible to predators, so they are highly cautious when drinking. Social structure and behavior. Giraffes are generally social animals, forming loose groups called towers. These groups can range from a few individuals to over 20, consisting of females and their offspring. While males tend to be more solitary or form bachelor herds, they communicate using subtle vocalizations, body language, and even infrasonic sounds that are inaudible to humans. Male giraffes engage in a behavior called necking, where they swing their necks and heads to establish dominance. The stronger male often wins and earns mating rights with females. Reproduction and life cycle. Female giraffes have a gestation period of approximately 15 months and give birth while standing. This results in a dramatic entry into the world for the newborn calf, which falls about 6 feet to the ground. Within an hour of birth, the calf is able to stand and walk, crucial for avoiding predators. Giraffe calves stay close to their mothers and nurse for about 6 to 9 months, gradually starting to eat vegetation. They remain within their mother's care for up to 2 years before becoming more independent. In the wild, giraffes have an average lifespan of 20 to 25 years, while those in captivity can live even longer. Conservation status and threats. Giraffes face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Their population has declined significantly over the past decades, leading to their classification as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Some subspecies, such as the West African giraffe and the reticulated giraffe, are critically endangered. Conservation organizations are working to protect giraffes through habitat preservation, anti-poaching measures, and breeding programs in zoos and wildlife reserves. Public awareness and community involvement are also essential in ensuring their survival. 10 amazing facts about giraffes. 1. Tallest land animal. Giraffes hold the record for being the tallest land animals, with adult males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. 2. Unique coat patterns. No two giraffes have the same coat pattern, making each individual as unique as a human fingerprint. 3. A long blue tongue. Their tongues can grow up to 20 inches, 50 centimeters long, and are blue-black in color, which helps protect against sunburn. 4. 7 neck vertebrae. Despite their long necks, giraffes have only 7 cervical vertebrae, just like humans, but each is elongated. 5. Fast runners. Giraffes can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, in short bursts and maintain 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, for longer distances. 6. Silent communicators. While they do make sounds, giraffes often communicate using infrasound, which is below human hearing range. 7. Rarely sleep. Giraffes sleep less than 30 minutes per day in short naps, often standing up to avoid predators. 8. Powerful kicks. A giraffe's kick is strong enough to break a lion's skull or even kill it, making them formidable against predators. 9. Heart of a giant. Their hearts weigh about 25 pounds, 11 kilograms, and pump blood up their long necks with immense pressure. 10. Ancient relatives. Giraffes are related to the okapi, a forest-dwelling animal from Central Africa that looks like a mix of a zebra and a deer. Conclusion. Giraffes are truly fascinating creatures, possessing unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their natural habitat. Their height, social behavior, and distinctive patterns make them one of the most recognizable and beloved animals in the world. However, their declining numbers call for urgent conservation efforts to ensure their survival for future generations. By supporting wildlife conservation initiatives, reducing human impact on their environment, and educating people about their importance, we can contribute to protecting these gentle giants. The giraffe's grace and resilience serve as a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the animal kingdom, making them an essential part of Africa's rich biodiversity.